Good evening, all. So, hope you all know today we are going to learn watercolor techniques on bird. So, first I'll begin with the head of the swan. So, for that, now you need to put your sleeping oval over this side, okay? Here. I'll start from here, right here. One small sleeping oval, and then another oval over this side. That is slanting oval. So it will be like this slanting oval. This is not a actual swan we are creating. First we are outlining where the head comes and then where the neck comes and then the body. So we are just picturizing it with some shapes. And then body of the swan, that is wings. So it will be somewhere here. A big body and wings covered. So it will be here. So wings will come over here. So another, just some big slanting oval here. So now we will give shape to these ovals. Okay. So I will start with the beak and then give a beautiful shape for its face, eyes and head, everything. So this is just outline oval. So as we proceed, we need to erase that oval and then outline our swan. So it will come over like this and then it will move from the downside of the face. It will come over like here and then slant here. Curve shape and then it will come down. So you can erase the oval. Now let's move towards the neck region. So likewise come downwards. So as I have told, swan will have elongated neck. So curve line like this comes over here and then end here. And then another line for neck. This oval is just for reference. So where the neck region will be coming. So then again join another line here and then later you can erase your oval. So it will come here. Okay. Coming to the feathers, wings and body parts. So you're here now and now proceed with the wings. That is, it will come from here and then goes all the way upwards. These are the feathers and then some curves and lines like this. Okay, have you all got my point? So here, from here, curvy feathers one by one and then here and then again feathers will extend over till the end. So keep making some lines, zigzag lines, and then come towards the down part and then another feather here and then last end feather tail. So here and then join these lines. Okay, so this is the help of your oval, where it should end, where it should begin. So that's why I have drawn that oval. Now you can erase that oval, a big oval. You can erase it now. So I'm going to erase the oval. Mainly we are using only these colors and later we will use little bit of yellow and orange. That will keep it later. So These are the colors you need to have in your palette. So this particular swan is in the water. So we will create a background first and then move on to the swan. So which color is the swan? Swan is a white color, right? So we'll touch up with the swan later. Let us complete the background first. Since the background is darker than the swan, we will touching with the background. So, okay, the blue color, I have my blue color here and then diluting it with water. It should be light. Add little more water. You can see the consistency, right? And then you can add little red to it, little bit of red, and then mix it. And add little more water, add little red, and then mix it with the blue, and then apply it on the paper. Except the swan, paint it all over the background. And in this side, you can mix little yellow and orange or anything, orange or yellow. So I'll apply some water here, just water. We are just creating some shades. So I'll apply some yellow with orange, just to add some color, just like this. And then again, blue and purple, blue and red. So now I'm mixing these three colors. I have my blue here and then red. Now don't use more water for making it dark. So we are making it dark, right? So don't use more water. Do not dilute it with more water. Mix these two colors and then a little amount of black as well. A little, not more black, a little black. And then start outlining the swan. So don't go inside the outline, just we are painting outside of the swan. Okay, outer part of the swan that we are painting now. Do not touch inside the part of the swan. We are just outlining the outer part. You drag the colors towards left side. Okay, drag these colors towards left side. Listen carefully or observe carefully. I'm dragging these colors towards the left side and now adding little water and then again dragging. It will become lighter and then again add some water and create some strokes, line strokes. Now let's start with this part, this end, this top portion of the duck. So again, little amount of blue and red, mix it well, and then start applying. So the feathers will be like this, the zigzag line. You might have observed the feathers, and then and you can add some shades of blue, light blue. Add more water to it, and then spread it all across. This should be very light. And then you can also use ochre yellow color for the feather. Mix it with the red, and then make some strokes for the feather. Take some strokes, straight lines, curved lines. Here there will be a folding here. So now it should be a dark. Okay, so mix brown with yellow ochre color, and little black also. And then here there is a folding of the wings. So here it will be dark. There will be two wings, right? One wing on this side and another on that side, on the other side. So here this portion, make it little dark. And then add little blue to it here as well. Make it dark. And then spread. And again lines. Just playing with the lines. Use cloth to remove excess water. Okay. Make use of cloth each and every time when you dip your brush into the water. Make use of cloth to remove the excess water.